do I have a video for you? A old classic video today showing you how simple it was to clean your seatbelt out. So come on in, don't mind my messy car. Oh yeah, check it out. Oh, remember the days we used to use the right spray CDC cleaner? Well, I got Lysol spray. Yeah. You just basically douse the spray with a lubricant, right? And then once you get that lubricant, grab something. Not something super duper small, but something to get in there. Clean it up. And when you're all done, you grab your seatbelt. Even if it's a seatbelt from the other side, you take the seatbelt. Make sure it fits in. It clicks in, you're good to go. It's that simple. Just remembering those old videos from the 2002 Honda CR-V. Oh yeah, you can get the job done with the right tools, spend a lot of money, head over to the dealer and get charged nothing for warranty work. But imagine doing this work yourself. Pat yourself on the back. In 4K, you get to see a little bit different than the old video. So on that note, I really hope this video was helpful to you, that it cleared your issue of a seatbelt fix. So if you're looking to clean your seatbelt, remember today's products on the market are all out there. Don't let your job stress you out, make you do things at a later time. Take your time, get it done right, and catch you on other videos to come. I'm out of here, aka Roaster the Fish. Yep, simple fix, does a great job, but I put my caps on wrong. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I saved myself $250 or a trip to the Honda shop that I had to wait for my car for a good day and a half to just clean my belt out. Have a great one and enjoy.